Hey y'all, I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about what it's like to live as a student off campus at Boston University. So I live here at this house and it is amazing. It's very different than living on campus because you have to cook all of your own meals and you don't live so close to your classes, but I think it's personally worth it. It's a lot cheaper to live off campus because you don't have to pay for a lot of the accommodations, and it's also a lot more fun. You can have more people over and you can kind of do whatever you want. You can decorate, and I'm staying on campus for the next 3 years, so I have some stability there, which is really nice to have. I live with 4 of my best friends also, which is super wonderful compared to living freshman year with a complete stranger whom I love, but it was a very different experience. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of my house, so come on, let's go look. All right, we're at my apartment. I'm gonna give a quick tour. Here we go, come on in. Welcome to my house. This is the yet-to-be-named household of me and my roommates, Quentin, Ryan, and Ransom. Here is the living room, which still needs to be decorated a little bit. We have our lovely couch, lovely tapestry, and lovely Jewish holiday colored string beads. We have a television here. If you follow me, I'll take you to the kitchen. This is our kitchen. A lot of times we entertain guests and we actually cook a lot of food for our friends who happen to live right across the way in those houses over there. It's super fun to live with next to people you like. This is Ransom and Quentin's room. They live together, but they also pay a super reduced rent. Here's Ransom's room, the bathroom. Hey y'all, I just want to give you a little quick personal tour of my room because I personally love it. Here's my poster wall, which took me a really long time to make, and I'm really proud of it. It's built of all posters of art pieces of graphic novels that I found on Free Comic Book Day last year in Boston, and I collected them all up, cut them up, and taped every single one to the wall. Here's my fireplace, which you can't actually put fire in. It's illegal, but it's the thought that counts. Here's my desk, which is a total mess right now, which is where I do most of my homework when I'm not doing my homework, which is where I always do it on the couch because that's more comfortable. Here's my bookshelf. Here's the ladder that lives in my room right now, which will probably go in a minute, but you know, every good room needs a ladder. And there's my cow, Bess. Good old Bessie. Also, my room looks beautiful at night. I set up a ton of lights and I'm gonna pan to them right now when I edit this video later and put in a bunch of beautiful shots of what my room looks like at night. Anyway.
Thanks for watching.
Hey y'all, all right, I brought you to a freshman's dorm.
Hello.
This is...
I'm Maya.
And she's a perfect. So she lives in 1019, which is the dorm that lives directly next to West Campus. And she's gonna show us around her dorm room, and her roommate are gonna talk to us a little bit about the roommate process, finding a roommate, and what it's like to live in the dorm.
In to our dorm.
Ta-da!
Here it is. This is my roommate, Isabel.
Hello, hello.
This is Thomas. He does not live here. Do you want to show off your side of the room, Isabel?
This is my side of the room. There's just photos of my friends and family, and yeah, that's it pretty much.
Well, it's beautiful. And let's pan on, oh yes?
Those are our flowers.
Oh yes.
Those are the
We love
flowers.
Very important.
There's another plant, there's a plant, there's a plant.
We love plants.
This is my side of the room. This is Lauren Hill, my queen. This is some good art, and these are some pictures. It's very cozy. This is our Himalayan salt lamp and diffuser.
Wow.
Gotta stay zen.
Gotta stay oily.
Really quick, dorm room essentials. Number 1, posters on the walls so you don't feel like you're living in a prison cell. Number 2, bed risers. They're perfect if you don't love falling asleep staring into your roommate's eyes. And number 3, lights. The dorm lights are harsh fluorescence that will burn your soul, and trust me, getting some string lights make it beautiful and fun. Also, get a fan. There's no AC. You're gonna die in the summer if you don't have a fan.